Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on appearance here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step. Then you click here, you control language, click in this sign. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you change the language here in this list on your Zello app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.